Okay, welcome. Here at the boat ramp, Lake Jackson. 3 lakes. 3 Lakes Wildlife Management Area. Looks like they're doing some work here. We're going to have all this coming. Look at it here. Have to put it in the new kiosk here. So I can put in a new dock. Observation deck. Then they got the boat ramp going in here. Look at the boat ramp. Got the floating dock there. Tell you what, I got pictures of this at one point where there's dirt out here, just a dirt ramp. Got the handicap parking here. You can see how they're just putting that in. That's not even open yet. It's got to be nice though.
Got a fish, chasing fish up against the yellow. That's fun.
Got a little working barge here, huh? Got a little crane. Must be putting the trusses out. That thing ain't even in the water. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's not even in the water, but this floods in here sometimes. It's part of the Kissimmee River Water Management or something like that. South Florida. And he goes up around that corner there. It's actually a fishery. They set this up as a bass fishing. Come out here, I think it's catch and release bass. Boat ramp's nice though. Nice concrete ramp. There's other parking right up around the corner, right up in here. If you go right up in there, there's some parking in there. And then this is just the beginning of the parking. All right, looks good. Oh, we got fish hitting up against the yellow there like they're trapping them.
He's chasing them.
Yeah, they're chasing them up against the yellow. This is where we're at. Prairie Lakes Unit. 3 Lakes Wildlife Management Area. Okay, you see the boat ramp right there. This is the road coming in. This is a campsite. Right there's a campsite. Right there's a campsite. There's 2 of them out here. Right there. Actually 3, I believe. That one, and then there's one right in here. They got picnic table, fire ring. I believe it's you pay your daily fee and then it's free to camp. And here's the bathroom right here at the boat ramp and the camping. That's kind of the bathroom for the camping. Got extra parking over here. Okay, Lake Jackson. Here's campsite number 1. And this back up in here a little ways. Looks good. That sun shining through all these trees too. Look at all the trees, and the lake's right there on this. This one's almost lakefront. Look at this tree fell down. Plenty of firewood on that thing. Yeah, this is nice here. Looks like they drive all the way back here too. Whether you're supposed to, I don't know, but it looks like they do. See, and we got the picnic table, grill, and I guess a fire pit, a big old piece of culvert or something. Looks real good though. Look at all the grass out here too, real green. And the lake's right through there, but it doesn't look like you're really getting close to the water. Give us a look here. And number 2 is right across the street. We're just going to go right on across the street here and see number 2. Do have a number 3 here. It's back over behind them trees over there. We'll show that one. Okay, here's site number 2. Lake Jackson's 3 Lakes. See, we got the picnic table, the grill, and I think we have a fire pit. There's looks like they're driving in on this one too. No grass over here, but plenty of get back behind over here. Big table too. And it looks like there's one more campsite back behind these trees. We're getting ready to drive back there. See right here, we can drive through over there. So we're gonna go back that way. Yeah, this is to the other campsite, the third one it looks like, number 3, Lake Jackson. I believe it's back here behind these trees here. See, right there. Looks like everyone drives back here. I don't I know there's a walking trail back over here. See right there, there's a gate, there's a walking trail. But here's that last camp right up here in the trees. There we go. Looks good. Look at this place, huh? Nice grass for your tent. Can't go wrong with this. Get out and look around real quick. Yeah, look at the grass for the tents, huh? Somebody got a cross over here of some sort, right there with the sun shining in, see? Thought they had fire rings, but that's just a fire pit, kinda. But you got the little grill here. And look at this, all the room up in here, you can go open that away. Hey, quick look at the campsite here, number 3, Lake Jackson. A picnic table, grill, lots of grass, shade. This is the best site right here. I'll have to get this one.
Don't forget to mention it has a trail run through it.
Yeah, there's a trail around here somewhere.
Water trail right there.
Oh yeah, see the orange trail right there.
Goes this way.
See the markers. So if you're walking the trail, you can camp here. Okay. One of the pull-offs around here, they just, the main road is right there. You can drive in here. I see they got the no camping permitted sign here. In other words, people have been camping quite regularly back here. I see you can go down right here to the water though. This is where you come spend the afternoon. You can even bring the canoe. Oh, look at that right there. Something hitting right there. See, and that's the spillway right there where you can't get boats through. Right there. We were just talking about putting in the John boat here and seeing if we can't make it to Lake Kissimmee that way. Sounds like a great idea. Bunch of little fish around here. A lot of barbed wire though. There's a barbed wire fence on that side all the way up from what I could tell. See that water got that little darker color to it, that reddish. So you got a barbed wire fence here too. There's like plenty of people going around right there. All right. Okay, let's go to the observation deck. They have an observation deck here down by the canal and spillway. We're gonna go look at that next. Let's go. We're still here at 3 Lakes. One of these back roads here. Look at the fire they got going over here. I'm sure it's a controlled burn. Look at that. They got them all over here, though. Look at there. Over here. This one right here is just really going good. We're kind of close to it. We're heading that way. We'll see if we get any closer. I don't know. I think this road's heading this way, kind of. But we are fire hunters today. Look at that, though. It's just burning through there. Well, we're going to go look for them.